Hey folks, today we are going to show you the double-sided vertical manager. This happens to be the 10-inch, 7-foot long. When I take this out of the box, it comes already pre-built with my bottom bracket and my top bracket. However, I will have an extra set of bottom bracket and top bracket for the rear side. This also comes with an extra set of fingers and 2 doors. The tools you'll need for the double-sided vertical manager are 7/16 and a 1/4-inch socket and wrench. And of course comes with a hardware bag and the instruction sheet. This is one side of our finger kit. You'll see 3 studs that are attached, and they're going to go through the 3 holes on the back side of the manager. 1, 2, and 3. One thing of note, notice the orientation of my bracket here, pointing in. I simply put my stud in, align all 3, add my washer and nylon nut on the back side. I'm going to install this side the same way, washer and nut. With the fingers installed on the opposite side, we're now going to show you how to install the bottom bracket as well as the top bracket. Before I install this bracket, I'm going to have to remove this screw and this plastic grommet on the other side. So I'll remove both of these. With the top and bottom screw and grommet removed, I'm now going to slide the edge into the fingers to install the bracket. Then we'll clip our fingers into the groove. So don't forget, we have a new hardware kit with new grommets. I'm going to use 2 per side. Grommet goes to the inside, align my holes. Into place. And simply set my screw. And we're going to repeat the process with the top bracket. Again, I need to remove the top and bottom screw. Now we're going to install this top bracket into place by sliding it into the grooves. Then clicking it in place. Now that our double-sided manager is fully assembled, I'm going to stand it up, slide it into place, and use our hardware kit to install it. I will now use my speed washer to install in the top, middle, and lower section. I'm going to install this dual pivoting door. There's pins on the top and bottom. Drop my bottom pin into place, my top pin, latch the other side. For additional information on our SRVM management system, please reach out to the product specialist team.